Hi there, I have Troy Malton from Turnkey Security Solutions with me. Troy is a customer of Inaxsys, and he's been using our Ajax and ICT Protege systems in some of his projects, and we're just going to have a couple of minutes chat with him here today. Troy, you want to tell me how your experience has been with Ajax so far?
Ajax Systems has been incredible. We got our demo kit in, had the whole thing up and running in probably 10 minutes. Deployed a very large system install in under a couple hours. It's absolutely incredible. Everything being wireless, very intuitive, even to the point where you can leave the app open for the customer to make adjustments on their system themselves. It's literally like very, very intuitive, simple interface, absolutely fabulous products. Yeah, very impressed.
Amazing. And what do you like working? How do you like working with Inaxsys?
I love working with Inaxsys. Yeah, it's been great. We do the ICT products as well for access control and everything. And same thing, both of them incredible products. And happy to be a dealer and working in conjunction with Tony on this for sure.
All right, awesome.
Excellent.
We appreciate you, man.
All the
Thanks
time.
for coming out.
Cheers.